On today's episode of Motocheez.
The following movie is rated I.
All my stuff came in. I ordered jets when they came with the carburetor, dirt. And got my 2-inch ID pipe, just in case the old one I got off the Samurai fails. And I got my aluminum case for my GoPro. Hopefully it stops overheating. And my mouse turd, ratchet, whatever. So this aluminum case came in. It acts as a heat sink that's supposed to solve my overheating problems. Let's see. Not sure I like another lens on the outside to fog up. It does come with an instruction manual. If you think you need it, put it on. Jeez, that thing's massive too. I had to screw this GoPro adapter thing on the bottom. It also has this quick shoe, or the 1/4-20, you know, standard mount for cameras. It has some threads on the top, some extra holes on the bottom. So this is kind of neat. There is no back cover on this. It gets adjusted by this thumb screw, and it pushes this little pad, and that's what they give you a little extra pad for. Your camera just drops in there like that, and it's actually a pretty good machine fit. And then you just tighten this up and hold your camera in. Not bad. I think I'm going to leave that lens on to see how it works. If it doesn't fog up like the original protective cover, I won't worry about it. It's supposed to have a UV filter, so let's see how that does too. Let's put it on the helmet. Yep, it's definitely claiming to be a UV filter. Gives you the thread size too, just in case you want to put a different type of filter on it. So it looks like it's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is I have this as tight as I can get it, but this still moves a little bit. Got this thing cranked down pretty good too. Gives you a little mic hole here too. So that's it. Not bad. I hope it works. Makes sense that it would work. It'll draw the heat away. Oh yeah, I forgot it came with one extra accessory. So one thing I see right off the bat is the glare. Plus the lens is further away, so anything that gets on there, like this bug, is going to show. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the UV filter on. I'm going to head to Acme to get my kids' favorite chicken, Yummy Chicken. They're the only ones that carried mixed types of Yummy Chicken. I don't really like Acme though. I have the app that you play like Monopoly or whatever. Man, I spent so much time because it wouldn't let me scan it in, putting the numbers in, getting money off of this and that, and then I went to use it 2 different times. 3 different times actually. First time I could understand, and then they told me there's nothing there. I take a shortcut over the mountain, over the river, and through the woods to Acme store we go. Every time I hear Acme, I think of Roadrunner. She stretches her arms out now. A lot of money up here on Quaker Hill. So I was kind of doing my own little boycott on Acme because of all that. Another reason is because I used to come over here for a month and a half and they never restocked their yummy chicken. So hopefully they'll have some yummy chicken. There's no reason for me to come over here ever again. Acme. La-di-da. Wow. That's the fanciest no trespassing sign I've ever seen. Okay, nice scenic shortcut, right? Oh, what's that? New vet. They're nice. Pull up so nobody runs into me, or the DRZ rather. It is actually easier to keep my helmet on than take it off, because then I gotta carry the helmet too. Ooh, they're all stocked up here and there. Let's see. Nope. What in the world? What the heck, man? Oh well, guess I'll get a buffalo style, a couple of these, and figure out how many I could fit in there. They don't carry yummy no more. Just them, yummy chicken bites. Man, that's disappointing. Well, I guess I'll get another buffalo. 2 buffalo, that should fit, no problem. Can I fit fries too? Yeah, I'll get the fries. Extra crispy fast food fries, that is. Because they're better for you. Not. Guess he's not open. How you doing? Good? Another reason.
Have a nice day.
You too, thanks. This thing's still on? Yeah. Lukewarm. Oh boy. I don't know, guys. Might have went a little too big this time. Jeez. I can't believe it fit.
That's what she said?
Gotta get home before the chicken thaws. There's no reason for me to come over here ever again. There's one lone windmill up there that never spins. I don't know whatever happened to it. I don't think I've ever seen it spin, ever. Oh, I'm running out of gas. I don't think I took my mileage. I may have mentioned my mileage, or maybe I could see it in the video. Still frozen. I did it. So far, besides the lens flare, I think it works great. I noticed I didn't get any of the fogging I usually get when the camera starts getting hot, and it was 93 out. It would have happened. The camera has not shut off on me since I put this case on.
A few moments later.
I got Cajun chicken littles, and you got well, that's a pretty big piece of chicken there. Was that fried buffalo chicken?
Yeah, it's like their crispy, hot, or spicy crispy chicken sandwich or something.
And you got the wrong thing?
No, but they were skinned.
Oh, they didn't cover your whole chicken?
Oh, that's weird.
That's weird. Parmesan what?
Crusted chicken.
Well, mine was good. I didn't taste any Cajun. It was very bland. Maybe a tiny bit of pepper. Yours is good?
Yep. Bring it home.
How about you?
Yeah, I couldn't even really taste the buffalo, but
Besides that, huge portion.
good chicken.
What would you say?
It was moist and, you know,
Out of
it was
10.
a good cut. Out of 10, maybe a 7. Now they'd get an 8 or a 9 if they had the seasoning.
9.
Yeah, I'd say 8 because it didn't have the right. I was expecting Cajun.
The next day.
Power's out again here. A couple more going out. Might as well drop them off. It's a nice day today. I don't know why the power would be out. It says it'll be on by 4 p.m., which is about 2 more hours. Going to the DMV tomorrow, and I'm registering my rowboat and that pontoon boat. I better get some gas. My place in Crystal River made it pretty good. Fared the hurricane really well. Can't even tell a hurricane went through. I have a lot of trees on the west side, so I think that helps a lot. Breaks the wind. Lights are out, so it's north. I spit on your grave house. And I spit on your grave gas station. The original. For those of you that haven't seen my older videos, it's a few years old. That's strange. Where could the power line be down? .4 gallons would be my guess. No, 2.1. Mileage is 12,029.7. 12,030 miles. Definitely don't want to give it too much gas when you're starting. It seems to cool off a little. Had someone say hook up that little potentiometer piece and I can adjust the timing, which is probably not a bad idea. Whitey's getting jealous. I'm gonna have to take her out next time, or him. Whitey's non-binary. Woo! Poopy plant stinks today. Took a little bit of damage here, a couple limbs down. Firewood. My neighbor Wes said he's going to check on my place after the storm. He said if it's really bad and the pontoon boat floats in his yard, he gets to use it. I said absolutely. But it didn't even blow the cover off. Here's the pictures from down there. Power didn't even go off. I'm on Scatacook Road, where the Scatacook Indian Reservation is. We just passed it. And that's the Housatonic River. Get him, DRZ, get him! So I don't know where they are with the wires down. I had to get a few packages out anyway. See what he thinks. What do you think?
Definitely got a lot more pull.
You're the first one to ride it with the newest jets.
Yeah, it definitely rips. It's definitely smooth. It's not, there's no lag, there's no nothing.
Right. And you've ridden it before. You've ridden DRZs.
Yeah.
It's got a lot more low end. I mean,
Yeah,
it just pulls now.
Yeah, definitely. I like it.
What the hell is that? It's like a stick bug or something. You see it?
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
I thought you were looking at the rubber on the seal. Look. Yeah, I told you. Woo! Look, it's turd burglar.
Gotta love it.
Yeah, right? Gotta love it.
Let's see. It's 25 kilometers. Oh, he's going faster.
Yeah, he's carrying them. He's carrying as far as he can go, bro.
Almost 35. It's almost 35 kilometers. It was like 20 miles an hour. Go, Matt! Damn, I wish my GPS was working. It did almost 20. Later.
When you go faster, it's got a self like equalizer too.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on Motocheez.com. Thanks for watching.